is from Wiggins Hair. Okay, hey guys, I'm sorry, my name is Precious. So this hair was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. It came in this tan box. It came with some scarves. It came with a whole bunch of little knickknacks. It came with two wig caps. It came with like headbands and just a whole bunch of little things that you're gonna see in this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig. This wig was so freaking full. It is 250 density and it's supposed to be HD lace, but to be honest, the lace was a little white, but I will say it was very thin. It definitely gave me HD lace vibes, except for the fact that it was very white. So I usually just take off all the combs on my wigs because it's just uncomfortable. Nobody wants all those combs stabbing them in the head. And then I also go in with this volume 30 volume developer and this lightening powder to bleach the knots. And bleaching the knots is very simple. I'm going to link a video down below that you can watch that shows you detailed video on how to bleach the knots. But really you just mix it, put on a lace like this, and you want to make sure that you avoid putting bleach on the hair. Like you see right here, there's no bleach on the hair here. You want to avoid that because if you put bleach on this side, it's going to make it look bad. So here's my frontal all perfectly bleached. Oh my god, look how amazing that bleach looks. It looks amazing. So now I'm going to pluck it a little bit. It did come pre-plucked, but I just wanted to go in and just add in a few more, you know, depth in the hairline because nobody's hairline is thick, you know, and I just wanted to make sure that mine looked natural as possible. And with plucking, I just eyeball it and I pluck out as much hair as I think looks good for me. I start off a little bit behind the hairline, and I also never pluck directly on the hairline when I do come closer to the hairline. So just watch and just basically follow along if you're following along, or just watch just to see like exactly where I parted and how exactly I did everything. So unlike most people, I like to cut off my lace and everything before applying my wig to my head. I just find it to be a lot easier for me that way. I like to do everything, my customization, cutting up the lace, every single thing, because trying to do it on my head is a nightmare. And I've been doing my own hair for years, and it just works out better for me when I pre-do it before applying the wig on my head. Guys, so I also go ahead and I part out my little swoop part that goes around your ear to make sure the wig lays flat on my head, and then I cut it out. I like to make it like a little round so it can go perfectly around my ear. guys, please excuse my ball cap method. I did it in like 2.5 seconds because I was in a hurry. But do your ball cap method. It's definitely going to help everything just lay. Okay guys, so the mousse I'll be using today is black owned. It's from a beauty brand called Adriana DeRose. And guys, this mousse is absolutely amazing. It gives you a nice firm hold without making your hair all crunchy. And also this hair brand company has the mousse, they have vitamins, and they have hair growth oils. You should definitely check them out. I will link their store link down below so you can go check them out. Okay guys, so this hair is honestly amazing. It did really well. It doesn't tangle up really bad. It does shed a little bit, but I feel like most curly hair sheds, so that's not a really big deal for me. It's so soft, and once it dried after putting the mousse on it, it was so beautiful. I got so many compliments. People would stop me like at the store like, who did your hair? Oh, by the way, I do hair in Atlanta, so if you want to get your hair done like this, I can absolutely put this wig on your head just like this. If you would like, just check my description box for my booking link. But back to the rant, people absolutely loved this hair. It was honestly amazing. You guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram on my business page and my personal page, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care.